Thank you so much for working your way through this HTML for Designers course. I know there's lots of ways you could spend your time, and I appreciate that you spent a little bit of it with me. If there are any other topics you want me to cover about HTML or programming in general, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And do know that I'm working on more content and courses that help designers learn about these technical topics. So we've learned some HTML, CSS is coming next. Again, any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. I would absolutely love to hear from you. In terms of next steps, I really encourage you to keep practicing. Look at any of your designs or any designs you see out in the wild and just say, hey, maybe I'm going to take a shot at coding that in HTML, and I bet you can do it. If you get stuck or you want to learn some more HTML elements, Google's going to be your best friend here. So go and check out the Mozilla Developer Network or the W3 schools. They're going to have great resources on all the types of elements out there. And that's another great way to practice. Just peruse those lists and say, how would I use this new element to describe some content? And then go practice it. So best of luck out there. Happy coding. And we'll see you all next time.